Considering it's been 2 years since the release of the Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, it's already the end of the cycle for DJI to release a new product. And there's rumors that this time it's going to be a Mavic 3. What are the possible specs for the Mavic 3? What rumors have we seen so far? DJI filed several new patents, including an optical image stabilization system. This could be used in the new Mavic 3. Even thought we never had problems with the 3-axis gimbal stabilization so far. It could be an improvement in long exposure photography. Battery life, considering the DJI Mavic Air 2 comes with 34 minutes and Autel Evo 2 has 40 minutes of light, I'm expecting at least 38 minutes, if not more, from the new Mavic 3. Camera quality, we expect to see a bigger camera with a micro four thirds sensor, which is almost double the size of a 1-inch sensor and will support interchangeable lenses. Gimbal stabilization, there's an actual patent pending for DJI to step up their stabilization game, with some optical stabilization besides the mechanical one. Mavic 3 range, when it comes to range, the Mavic 3 is definitely gonna have over 8 km in FCC mode. So no worries about that. Optical image stabilization patent or new FPV drone. This optical stabilization system you see in the image has been patented by DJI. It could be that they want to add another layer of stabilization to the 3-axis gimbal, which could make long exposure shots very stable and improve the overall stability of any shot. However, it could also just be that they are working on a cheaper drone, maybe a continuation to the DJI Tello, a Tello 2. That can be a cheaper replacement for the DJI Spark. New way to fold the drone. This official patent from DJI is called Deformable Frame of Aerial Vehicle and Aerial Vehicle, and describes a new and simpler way to fold an Inspire-like frame, but smaller and more compact. This could be a complete overhaul of the Mavic Pro series and gets all the advantages of a 360 modular camera like the one on the Inspire. Here's what DJI mentions in the patent files. In the unfolded state, the second hands of the deformable rods in the two arm assemblies are away from the center frame. In the folded state, the deformable rods in the two arms assemblies are stacked above the center frame. The aerial vehicle further includes a loading mounted on the center frame. Mavic 3. Camera upgrades from the Mavic 2 Pro. We expect to see a bigger camera with a micro four thirds sensor, which is almost double the size of a 1-inch sensor and will support interchangeable lenses. If they decided to actually add the ability to have interchangeable cameras in the new Mavic 3, it will certainly revolutionize everything we have currently on the market, since you won't be forced to choose like the Mavic 2 series between a Zoom and a Pro version. Considering Autel has released their Evo 2 series that can shoot in 6K and 8K resolution, DJI needs to step up their game on the resolution battle as well as modular cameras. This is why I'm expecting at least a 4K 60 frames per second camera like the Mavic Air 2, but quite probably to have at least one version to record in 6K resolution. Controller upgrades. The controller is set to be similar to the Mavic Air 2, but with a built-in screen included. This could be a bad decision for the buyers of the smart controller, so I'm not sure they will make this move, but it could potentially come in different packages, one with a basic controller and the other with a smart controller included.